While nothing can replace the experience and knowledge of your pharmacy staff, the companion products function is designed to assist your team by prompting them to offer preset complementary items at the till and in dispense. You can set up both dispensary and retail items as companion products and choose whether to display the prompt in dispense, the till, or both. This tool may assist you to increase your basket size and value. To set up a companion product, from the Stock Manager module, open Product Maintenance. Click Find and search for the product you would like to add a companion product to. In this example, I would like to add a companion product for the 3-pack of Femvia cold sore tablets that are available from the pharmacist. Select the required product from the search results and then click Companion. In the Companion Products window, click Add. Leave the Sorted by field as Product. In this demonstration, I want to add Compeed cold sore patches as the companion product. In the Add field, enter the name, barcode, or product number of the product you wish to set as the companion. Then press Tab. Select the item from the Product Search window and click OK. Use the radio buttons to select where you would like the companion product to prompt. In the till only, in dispense only, or at both the till and in dispense. Click OK to save. We recommend that you keep a record of the products you set up as companion products. Click Cancel or press Escape to close the Adding a Companion Product screen. Then close the Companion Product window. When Dispense is selected as the prompt location, the companion product prompt is displayed in the Script Options window after the item is dispensed. This prompt is a recommendation only and no action is required. When the till is selected as the prompt location, the companion product prompt is displayed when the product is added to the sale. Click Yes or press 1 or Y to add the companion product to the sale. Click No or press Enter or 0 to close the prompt without adding the companion product to the sale. For further information about companion products, please visit the Minfos Help Centre.